Grandma, I'm all ready to go home, to fly home. Oh, Bob, that's good. But what happened, honey? Did you hurt yourself? Oh, Grandma, I packed my suitcase and I tried to carry it down the stairs and I tripped. Oh, it was hurting, so I found some band-aids. So they help the boo-boos. Oh, I've lost my bag. Oh, Grandma, help, help. Bob, what's wrong? Well, Giraffe, I've been packing to go home on the plane and I fell down the stairs. My bag's too big. Aw, Tigger, I'll help. Where's your bag? I think it's on the floor. Yes, can you get it, Tigger? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is, honey. I'll help you carry it. Together we'll do it. That's good. Together helps carry bags. See you on the airplane. Bye-bye, guys.